Remember to wash your hands and all produce before preparing food.
Hi, I'm Jacalenne a nutrition instructor from Michigan State University Extension. Today we're going to make honey lemon chicken. This is a recipe from our Eating Right is Simple cookbook. Here we go. So today's recipe is honey lemon chicken, and we've already preheated our oven to 375 degrees, and I'm going to cut this chicken breast into a few smaller pieces so that we can bread these. Now that we've cut these into smaller pieces, I'm going to set these aside and wash my hands. So here we have 1/3 cup of flour. We're going to add just a little bit of salt to this, and then we're going to take our chicken and we're going to bread this. This is just about a teaspoon of salt. You can add other seasonings like garlic if you would like. So it's very simple. You're just going to mix this up a little bit, and then take your piece of flour and cover it, and then set this aside. Now that we have all of our chicken breaded, we're going to put this inside of the oven at 375 for about 30 to 40 minutes. So we've sprayed some nonstick spray on our cookie sheet, and we're going to lay down our chicken, pop this in at 375. So while we cook these in here, we're going to make our honey lemon glaze. So we're going to measure out 1/3 cup of honey and put it into a pan. Now we need to measure out 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You could substitute lime juice if that's all you had. And then stir this around until all the honey is dissolved. Now after you've stirred for about 2 to 3 minutes, this is good to shut off and let it set. We're going to check the internal temperature of our chicken with a food thermometer. So after we've checked the internal temperature and it's registered up to about 160, 165, we're going to take our marinade here, our glaze, and we're going to baste our chicken with our glaze. And then once we've basted all of the chicken, we're going to pop it back in at 375 for about another 15 minutes and let that cook. So after our last temperature check and glazing our chicken, we've plated it up, and here you have honey lemon chicken.
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.